401.
There you go, I'm beating you.
202.
Can you let me go, please?
4677.
Can you let me go,
You want
please?
to run away?
Can you please let me go?
No.
You see the video camera? You see this? You see how you holding my clothes?
My name is Oluwaseun.
You see how you holding my clothes though? You see the camera though? You see it's beating you.
He's pulling me. He wants to run away.
Well, I'm running away from my house. Look at the video. I'm going outside. That's why video camera is good, man. Oh, Facebook, my bestie. Oh, WhatsApp. I'm about to post this shit on WhatsApp. You say you did in front of my daughter. Now I can go call the school and let them know how you abuse her.
Yeah.
And all that.
Because you want to bring your baby mother into the house. You brought me all the way from Nigeria.
I didn't bring you here.
Just to maltreat me. You brought me. You married me from Nigeria legally and you are shitting on me. You don't sleep at home. You don't do anything. You want me to accept your baby mama?
It's okay,
yeah. I know.
It's okay, wrong.
Thank you. Thank you. I've been begging you.
It's recording. Don't worry.
Thank you.
He's beating me.
Thank you.
I love how I'm wrong way.
Yeah.
Why go and shake all over for me?
Thank you. Because
see, you tell me we are beating you away for no camera.
Yeah.
But I'm recording it.
You are throwing my son out of your house. And I don't have nowhere to go.
I'm beating you.
You brought me from Africa to maltreat me.
I'm beating you.
You brought me off from Africa.
No, they go. Look, I need to lash your mom go there. Go shake you. Professor love me. Professor, why they come back and me? My government came to lock like me.
Okay. Stop anything, you know, live.
It's anything, you know, live. Never she never go. There's no one going back. I'm from the wrong way.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, you keep going. He's beating me. He's beating me. Ah, she won't fuck up. We rope me. I'm beating you with the cake lock.
I have everything recorded.
Yes. I'm beating you. I'm beating you. Insurance guy, I cancel right now. Don't come back. Go ahead. You're beating me.
Go ahead.
It's only me. I need to send videos. You know what's up?
Send yes. My post here.
So Facebook. My post here. So Facebook. Then we share. You need to real day. Then we make it bad. We make it bad. No man, we make it bad.
We recording now. But make it bad. But share with someone. Let down we are. But share with someone. But share with
ọmọ ẹgbẹ́ fẹ́ wẹ́ arí bí ọlọ́lẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ pèsè ẹ̀.
wẹ́ àjí ọmọ ẹ̀ kálùmí.
mi àjí ọmọ mi.
wèdí mà bí ma wọ́n náà wò wúdẹ̀ fẹ́ jèrè ọmọ.
ọmọ náà ò fẹ́ pa jẹun wá sí lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ yìí.
wò báyìí pa ọmọ ẹ̀
jẹ. So the police can say.
Okay, Sheeta, I see your room, Sheeta. Your room looks sweet. Okay.
Yo, Tay, turn your phone on.
I got you, Bob.
Come on, let's go.
I got you.
Come on, let's go.
Àwọn house ìwé kọ́ká. Wọ́n yà nílò ṣíṣe wọn. Ìyẹn Rashida pé àwọn ènìyàn ló wá ká kó wọn bá ní nínú ní.
What?
Come on, yo, let's go.
You are going nowhere, Rashid. You are going nowhere. You are going nowhere.
You're on video. You gotta keep your hands to yourself.
Can you please stop the video? Come on,
turn your video on. Turn your video on.
Why are you trying to tell me?
You assaulted me. You assaulted me.
You going to jail.
You going to jail.
And me.
You going to jail today, postman.
Keep the video.
Okay.
You going to jail. I need someone to come out to this address. What's the address?
37.
Into my house. This is my house. This is
hello?
I see Osla Kwa Rashida wa bani nino. Osla Kwa Rashida wa bani nino.